to South Africa and Ghana, they're some of the bigger economies on the continent. And of course, there are some common threads for their success. And I've noted in the two papers strong institutions, both in two countries, that have ensured stability and accountability. And of course, also the robust civil society. Ray mentioned about strong media and an active citizenry in South Africa. And I think it's this vibrant civil society that, and the strong media that provides for a very engaged democratic system that holds government to account. However, there are also some challenges that have been highlighted, and I think these are also challenges that are faced in a number of countries. Number one is corruption, widespread corruption that is evident in many countries, that is